कितने जहाज थे दोनों तरफ से, किस तरह की लड़ाई हुई. These are questions of technical details, which we may not be able to share firstly, and which we may not be able to share, to explain to you the way it needs to be explained. Suffice to say कि yes, ये एक दूसरी तरह का warfare था, and it is bound to happen. हम लोग पिछली लड़ाई, अगली जो कभी भी लड़ाई होगी, भगवान करे ना हो, लेकिन अभी यदि हुई तो ये पिछली लड़ाई की तरह नहीं होगी. हर एक लड़ाई जो है अलग तरीके से लड़ी जाती है, और टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट्स हो रहे हैं. हम भी उस एडवांसमेंट्स के हिस्सा हैं, हमारे एडवर्सरीज भी हिस्सा हैं. सो इट इज अ कैट एंड माउस गेम, एंड यू हैव टू बी अहेड ऑफ द कर्व टू बीट योर एडवर्सरी. So that is what is going to happen. So if you ask, was this different? Was this engagement different? Definitely it was different. And a lot of new aspects have come out, but we were prepared for it, we were trained for it, and we were equipped for it. That is the only aspect that I can share with you at this time. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the last question, 161.
Hi, sir. Thank you, sir. Snesh Philip here from the print. So the social media, the Twitter is abuzz with the fact that we hit a site called Kirana Hills, which is supposed to be the nuclear storage facility. And there is a lot of rumors about Sargodha. There are foreign analysts who've mentioned that the Sargodha attack led to certain leaks. Is there a confirmation that we actually hit Kirana Hills, or we were careful of not to do any such thing? Thank you.
Thank you for telling us that Kirana Hill houses some nuclear installation. We did not know about it. Okay. And we've not hit Kirana Hills, whatever is there. Okay. I did not brief in my briefing yesterday. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. As I said yesterday, as I said earlier and yesterday, it is difficult to take everybody's questions, and the DGMers have to reach somewhere right now. So thank you for coming. Please send in your questions on paper. We will definitely answer them. Thank you.